Have you noticed these cat AI videos taking over YouTube and TikTok lately? They are just short clips, yet they are pulling hundreds of thousands to millions of views. Some of these channels are posting daily, growing fast, and yes, making real money. This could be you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these viral cat videos are made, step by step, using free AI tools. Trust me, if you have been looking for a faceless content idea that can go viral and actually make money, this might be one of the easiest ones to start right now. Make sure you watch till the end. Don't miss any part so you get it once and for all. And if this video helps, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Olapo. Let's get into it.
We'll start by heading over to ChatGPT. I have this particular prompt I want to use. Write a short cinematic story for a 1 to 2 minute AI animation featuring a white cat-headed mother with a tail, a small cat-headed daughter, with all the details that I have right here. If you need this particular prompt so that you can model it or modify it to your own, comment cat prompt and I'll reach out to you on how to get it. So I'll just go ahead and send the prompt, as you can see, and then the response I got from ChatGPT is this. And then if you don't get this particular response, let's say the response you are getting is in form of the narration of the story, then you can now go ahead and tell it to break the story down into scene or into scenes using this particular prompt I'm going to use, right? And the way it responded, I actually do not like the way it presented the visuals. So I'm going to come back right here and use this particular prompt. So I said, take the story above and break it into 5 to 8 cinematic visual scenes. For each scene, specify characters with consistent cat head and human bodies and tail, highly stylized, anthropomorphic scene. So the clothing appearance, beautiful, clothing appearance, action. We have the environment such as modern home and kitchen settings, the lighting and mood, camera angle. Format the output as a numbered list of scenes, each with a short description suitable for feeding into an AI image generator. So keep them short and ultra realistic, and then we're going to send, right? So I'm going to drop this prompt in my Telegram group. Kindly go to the description box of this video or the comment section. You see the link to my Telegram group, right? So you will see now that it has given us a breakdown properly, because the first breakdown it gave us, it didn't really specify. So on telling it to break it down further into using this particular prompt made it more easy, right? So look at it now. We have the same one, the mother cooking in a modern kitchen. The character is a white cat-headed mother, elegant human body, long white tail, wearing a beautiful blue dress and heel. So the action, we have the environment and all of that, and then we have the camera angle. So I said, write the prompt to generate the base characters in paragraph form, making sure each character is well described, and then I send. So we have the base character, that is the white cat-headed mother. We have the second one, which is the small cat. We have the father, and those are the 3 basic characters we need in the story. So we'll first of all go ahead and generate the base character. We'll copy this. Just first of all copy the prompt to generate each of the characters, and we'll head over to our wonderful tool. If you've been following me on this channel, you know the tool we've been using recently to generate images, and it's so good. So we'll head over to our browser. I'll come to this website, Google Whisk. I'm going to start adding the base characters. So we're starting with the mother cat, and I've already copied the prompt from ChatGPT. So I click on this part where I have this pencil sign, and then I paste it. So this is a description of our mother cat, and then we'll click on generate. All right, so you can see how the mother cat looks like. Now we're going to add the next character. I'll click on this plus sign right here, and I go to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt. That's this, the small cat, the baby cat. I copy it, and then we'll click on the pencil sign, and then I paste and click on generate. Okay, so this is the baby cat it gives us. Now let's click on the plus sign again. I will go and copy that of the father. Click on the pencil sign, and then we'll click on generate. Okay, so this is the father in our own case. As you can see, the father is brown while the woman is white. It depends on the description you want or the one ChatGPT gives you. You can modify accordingly, Now that we have our base characters, we'll move up to the main page where we are going to be pasting our prompt. So we'll go back to ChatGPT. Then when we have the breakdown of the scenes, starting with scene 1, we have 7 scenes for this particular story. So we'll just go ahead and copy all this description we have here, and then come back here and then paste it here. So this one now, the base character we have in this particular scene is the mother cat. So we'll come back to where we have this add images, and we would enable only the mother cat, because that's the only one, she's the only one that is appearing in this particular scene, right? So we have the mother cat, as you can see, selected there. Then we'll choose our aspect ratio. We're going to be doing 9:16 in this case. If you want to do 16:9, please go ahead, and then we'll go ahead and send. So we have our mother cat. Can you see how beautiful this is? I think I would like to go with number 1. Okay, we'll just click on this arrow, choose the one you prefer as you generate, and then we save. Move on to the next scene on ChatGPT. We'll do the same. All right, as you can see, we have the scene 2 image generated, and we're just going to pick one of these and download. We'll repeat this until we generate all the images required for all the scenes. In this case, we have about 7 scenes. So create all your scenes, download them, and save on your device. Alright, so next is to head over to Grok. On Grok, we'll be animating those images. Like, we'll be animating those images, and then we'll just click on these 3 dots here and click on Imagine. I'm using the web version, and then I just go ahead and upload my images like this. Click on the first one, click on Done. We'll wait for it to attach. While it attaches, I'll just go to ChatGPT, and for each of the scenes, I'll copy the same prompt with the camera angle, and then come back here. So I'll just paste my prompt right here to animate it, and then we'll go ahead and send. Go ahead and download using this arrow button right here to download and save it on the device. So we're going to repeat the same procedure for every other scene. Open CapCut or any video editing tool, create a new video, and import your scenes. Now you put them together, arrange them accordingly according to the scenes. Mute the sound, mute the clips, mute the original sound that Grok gave, and you can go ahead and add your own sound. You could generate AI sounds to showcase your cat stories, and once that is done, you go ahead and export your video right here. So here is my own final result.
Lonely voice in the night, reaching out.